Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2023 Nissan Murano SV. Coming in this nice black coloring. This vehicle's going to be powered by a 3.5 liter engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we got a dual exhaust, rear park sensing, backup camera, roof spoiler, roof rails as well. Got some nice rims on this vehicle with some nice little mud flaps on the front and rear. Got some silver and black trim. Adds a nice pop to the coloring. You got a little button here on the side. Allows you to have access to unlock your vehicle by just having the key nearby. We got heated mirrors. What is that? Turn light indicating mirrors. You got a side view camera on this vehicle. And moving to the front, we do get a block heater, front view camera, and that nice Nissan grille. We got a nice powered liftgate that you can open there and on the key fob, which provides you with tons of storage. Got hooks and doodads. You got the ability to collapse your last row by just pulling those levers. You got lights, 12 volt, and you do get under storage as well. To close your liftgate, all you have to do is hit that button right there and it will close automatically for you. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back, some nice gray accents on the door, USB, USB-C, and rear vents with some storage right here. And of course we do get cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a powered driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space in the back with powered windows, mirrors, locks. We got your trip, heated steering wheel, your surround, park sensing, liftgate, traction, heated steering wheel, parking brake, hood, gas cap, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 50,218 kilometers. Got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, cruise control, volume, source, toggle for your screen, as well as toggle for your screen up here. With voice, phone, we got a compass, we got your channel changer with your audio information, fuel economy, driving aids, speed limits, tire pressure, warnings, all that fun. To my right, we got our gear select with heated front seats. You got cup holders, storage, your center console here with tons of more storage underneath. Engine starts up, USB, USB-C, aux, 12 volt, climate controls with dual climate up front, storage below, and above me we got our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And looking here, hazards right here. We got your audio here as well with AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM. You got a CD, USB 1 and 2, aux, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Change the brightness here. We're just going to go into our navigation. Pretty easy to use. You can search through here as well. It'll give you like a suggestion. Audio, camera for your nice 360 view of the vehicle, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RE18437A, and you can head on in a PG Ford or give us a call.